Split a contour element evenly among all sizes, based on a ratio. After starting the macro, select the element that needs to be split. Enter the amount of segments this element should be split into and confirm. When selecting a curve, there will be an additional step to decide whether to add 2 curve points per splitting position in order to keep the shape of the curve. Click right to add curve points, click left to split without adding points. Check the dialog box for clicking prompts. The macro generates a clone to help you check for inaccuracies. The element has been split and the new segments have the same length in each size. Splitting curves sometimes leads to loops within the grading. The macro analyzes the result and displays the text check if a loop is detected. This is often caused by curve points moving over a splitting point in the grading, thereby causing a loop. This can be fixed by removing unnecessary curve points or grade rules.